Step 1. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for an unarmed security guard license in North Carolina, you need to meet these conditions. Be at least 18 years old, be of good moral character with temperate habits, meet the necessary training, qualifications, and experience requirements as determined by administrative rule to obtain the license being applied for. Be a U.S. citizen or qualified alien. Step 2. Get hired first. In North Carolina, you must be employed by a licensed security company before applying for a security license. The hiring company must be licensed by the PPSB. Your employer will initiate the registration application on your behalf. Independent applications are not accepted. Employer sponsorship is mandatory. Step 3. Start working under temporary status. Once your employer submits the application, you can legally start working temporarily. You may begin work while your license is being processed. You should carry a copy of your signed application on duty. This temporary status is valid for 30 days. You must begin the 16-hour training course during this time. Step 4. Complete the 16-hour training course. You must take a 16-hour basic security officer course from a PPSB certified trainer. The first 4 hours must be completed within 20 days of starting work. The remaining 12 hours must be completed within 30 days. Training is typically arranged by your employer. Upon completion, you'll receive a certificate of completion. All links are in the video description, including links to my beacons and my Etsy pages where you can find useful free digital tools and guides. Step 5. Application processing and registration card. After your training and background check are complete, PPSB will issue your registration card. The card is mailed to your employer. It must be carried while on duty. Your registration is tied to the employer, but you can transfer it later by submitting a new application and paying a transfer fee. Step 6. Renew annually. Renew your license every year. Your registration expires after 12 months. Renewal must be submitted and is handled through your employer. Step 7. Total estimated cost. Let's break down the total estimated cost for becoming an unarmed security guard in North Carolina. The registration application fee is $68. Fingerprinting fee varies, but it's typically around $38. The training course fee varies, but it's approximately $125. The total estimated cost is approximately $231. Please note that costs can vary based on provider and location. Some employers may cover these expenses. It's advisable to confirm this with your employer. Step 8. Get connected and stay informed. Once you're licensed, stay up to date and look for opportunities. Apply to other PPSB licensed companies by transferring your registration. You can start by browsing on Indeed. Consider becoming a channel member for access to emojis, member shoutouts, and future early access videos, and join our guard guides for support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.